Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're doing great at home. And remember to always stay safe, healthy, and happy. Today, Miss Diane is going to review a math lesson. What lesson is that, Miss? Well, it is static addition. And I'm going to use an apparatus. What, Miss Diane? An apparatus? Yes! I'm going to use an apparatus. Can you guess what it is? It is the golden beads. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, friends, I have here the set of golden beads, the place value math, and then some problems from static addition. Before we have fun using this apparatus, I'm going to review first. Take a look at this place value. We have unit, which represent here with the golden bead, one golden bead here. And we have 10, represented by the 10 bar here. And we have 100, represented by the 100 wooden square. You can see, remember this one? 10 tens equals to 100. Okay, let me go back again here. This one, you still remember 10 of these? 10 of the unit beads is the same with 1 10 bar. And then for the 1000, represented by this 1000 wooden cube, 1000 equals with 1000 cube. Okay. Now that you already remember, we can start doing the problem here. Okay, let's read the problem together. We have the addition equation here. Do you still remember what static means? Static addition means? It means that the addition equation that we are going to do will not involve any exchanging. Okay, now let's read the number from the first addend first. This is the first addend. And do you see the value up here? Later on, when you do the problems, the math problems at home, do remember to also put the value on the top. That will make you easier to do the work. So this one is, what number is it? 2500. 4 tens is 40, 43. So the first addend is 2543. And remember to put the comma to separate the family. Do you remember the family? Unit, 10, and 100. There are simple family, and this is start the new family. So to separate the 1000 family from the simple family, we put a comma between the two families. Okay? And then next, the next addend, the second addend, what number is it? It's 1,256. Okay, let's build the number using the golden bits. Let's start from the first addend. How many units? 3. So I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put here the unit place. And then 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm putting here. Putting them here. And then how many hundreds? 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 1,000 is 2,000. So I'm going to take the 1,000 cube here. 1,000, 2,000. So this is the first addend. 2,543. And then we're going to the next addend, the second addend, 1,256. How many units are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second addend. How many tens? 5 tens. I'm going to take 5 tens. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds from the second addend. 2 hundreds. And the 1,000 is 1,000. We take it again from here. We call this set is a bank. Yeah. So we take everything from the bank. 1,256. And remember, when you do addition, you will need to put the first addend and the second addend together, so you will get the sum. And how do you put them together? Where do you start to put them together from? You start from the lowest hierarchy, which is the unit. Yes, correct. Okay. Let's have a look then. So you put together here. Let me put this ball back. Okay. Let's count together. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. Put at the bottom. So we can write down in the unit place 9 units. Okay. And then the next value is 10. We put together 4 tens and 5 units. How many tens are there? Let's count together. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. How many tens are there? 9 tens. So we write down in here 9 tens. And then we're going to the 100. We put together the 100. 500 added by 200. Put together. How many hundreds are there? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. How many hundreds are there? 700. So we're done 700 here. And then the 1,000, we put together the 1,000. How many thousand are there? 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000. And we write down 3,000. And don't forget the comma to separate the 1,000 family and the simple family. So what is the answer? Let's see from the apparatus first. Okay. 2,543 added by 1,256. The sum is, let's see the apparatus for the concrete one. 3,799. 3,799. Wow! Easy, right? Okay, we're going to move on to the next problem, but I better tidy up this first. Okay? So, are you ready for the next problem? The next addition problem? This time, we have 2 zeros in our problem for the first addend. Okay. Can you see the value here? Yeah. 1,000, 100, 10, and unit. Okay. So what number is the first addend? Let's read it together. 6,700. We can't read the 10 and the unit because it's 0. Yeah. So 6,700. No 10 and no units. Added by or plus 2,289. Let's build the numbers using the golden beads. So because for the first addend, there's no unit, 0, and there's also no 10, so 0. And then the 100, we have 700, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. The 1,000, we have 6,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Wow, it's going to be so high. 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000. Let me recheck again. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000. And then the next addend is 2,289. How many units are there? 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 units here. Give some space because remember, for the first addend there is no unit and there is no 10. Okay, 9 units for the second addend, and then 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8. Yeah. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. 8 tens. How many hundred are there? 200. 200. How many thousand? 2,000. So I'm taking the 1,000 cube, 2,000 cubes. Now remember the definition of addition. It means that you have to put all the addends, since we have two addends here, the first addend and the second addend together, starting from the lowest hierarchy, which is the unit. So from here. Okay, the first addend is 0 unit, but the second addend there are 9 units. Just slide down here. And then the same also, the first addend is 0 10. So we just slide the 8 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 tens. And then the 100, we put together from the first addend and the second addend, we count it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay. And then the 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Wow. 6,000, 7,000, and 8,000. Wow, that's so tall. Okay. The previous addition, I wrote down each of the number from each value first. But for the second one, I built first and added first. Added the first addend and the second addend first. And then I'm going to write down on the paper. Let's check one by one. From one value at a time. How many units? Yes, it's 9. So we put 9 here. How many tens? Yes, you're right. 8 tens. So we write down 8 here. How many hundreds? Let's have a look. You see that? How many hundreds? Yes, you're right. 9 hundreds. How many thousands? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So there are 8,000. Oops, I forgot the comma. So the sum of 6,700 added by 2,289, the sum is 8,989. It's easy, right? Okay. In the next video, you're going to see the presentation of another type of addition, which is the dynamic addition, which involves exchanging. And yeah, we'll have fun later on again. So that's from static addition. See you in the next video, dynamic addition.